AutoCAD just got an upgrade. And let's be honest, when you open AutoCAD for the very first time, it can feel a little overwhelming. There are buttons everywhere, tools on the top, panels on the side, recent files in the middle, and command line at the bottom. Before you even draw one simple line, you might already wonder, where do I even start? But don't worry, that's exactly why this course exists. Hi, I'm Deepan and welcome to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. In this course, I'll take you from complete blank screen to clean professional 2D drawing, step by step. We'll start with the basics: welcome screen, interface, the ribbon, the drawing area, the command line, and the tools you need to know before creating any drawing. Then, we'll move into the real drafting. You'll learn how to draw lines, circles, rectangles, arc, and polylines. After that, we'll edit those drawings using tools like trim, extended, offset, fillet, copy, move, rotate, and mirror. Once your drawings start taking shape, we'll organize it with the layers, add text and dimension, use blocks, create layouts, and finally print or export to a clean professional drawing. The goal is simple. By the end of the course, AutoCAD should not feel scary. It should feel like a clear system where every tool has a purpose and every drawing follows the process. You don't need to have any previous experience in AutoCAD. You don't need to have an engineering background. You just need to follow the course in order. Think of AutoCAD like learning a driving. On the first day, you don't understand about the whole engine. First, you'll learn controls, how to move, and how to stop safely. AutoCAD works the same. Before we even create floor plans, layouts, or technical drawings, first, we need to feel comfortable with inside the workspace. This course is focused on 2D drafting, so we'll keep everything clean, practical, and beginner friendly. In the next video, we'll break it down the AutoCAD welcome screen in very simple way, so you know exactly what you're looking at and what to click first. Welcome to the course. Welcome to Cadelyx. Let's make AutoCAD 2027 simple.